Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to manage team members on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the site, blog, products, community, email, audience, and sales. In the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about it and your messages. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage the members on Podia. So basically what you need to do is go of course to the top right corner and click on here and click on settings. Now here you will have in the settings in the end, as you can see, you have a lot of tabs here. Go to the team. Then here you can set up your team, firstly, which you of course need to do. So setting up your team, if you're working with anyone else on your product, you can add them to your team. They'll get a separate login from your Podia account and can't make major changes without billing settings or canceling your account. So working with Podia, to manage your team, you firstly have to go and upgrade Podia. You can do that by clicking on the top right corner here or going to our YouTube channel where we have a separate video on this topic where you can learn how you can go and upgrade Podia. When you upgrade Podia, you can have your team and then you can go and manage team members on Podia easily here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.